See, doctor, this is the laser machine. Now it's switch off. Now just we connect it to the charger. Okay. Now here the power tip, and here we have the foot switch. The foot switch, you can pair it with the machine or with the device. With here you can press this button to pair it or to unpair it. Now we will switch it on. The first thing will appear to enter the password. The password is 6363. Okay, now this is the menu. All the menu you have is surgical. So here we have the abscess. If you have abscess, we can remove the gingiva above the abscess, and you can sterilize it, the socket or etc. Here, if you can, if you want to make phreniectomy, ebolus, fibroma, gingivectomy, gingivoplasty, incision, operculotomy, hiding teeth, and gingival troughing. Here we have periogerm reduction, implant uncovery, peri-implantitis if you have inflammation around the implant, endogerm reduction, pulpotomy, and gangrene. Every one of this, every item you use it, have from the company, have the wavelength, the frequency, the duty, the time is already seated. It's pre-seated. This is the default setting. This is back. Here, if you have pain therapy, hemostasis, if you have after extraction, if you have a bleeding, you can stop the hemorrhage by put the laser on the socket. Here we have wound healing. If you want to make wound healing by using the laser. Here herpes, any body lesion, you can use the laser for remove it. And here, if you want to customize your uses, you can press it and preset it all the setting, but it's already all your uses. You cannot exit from this menu. For example, if you want to make phreniectomy, you use it. The peak power is 2 wavelength. The frequency, this is preset from the company. Now I will switch it on to show you. Now, as I told you, to take the tip from the middle and squeeze it like that. Okay, and as I told you, this is the bending. If you want to bend like that, if you want to start the work, you can here press this. Okay, and here there is a precaution to wear the sunglasses, you and the patient and the assistant. Now here, to start, after you wear the glasses, press yes. Now we are ready to use the laser. Okay, now I will show you. See, doctor, every surgical procedure, you have to use the handpiece laser in parallel technique, in parallel direction, like this. Okay, we will start now. As I press the foot switch, and even you can use from the hand, from here. You have two choice. We start now. Bismillah. Like this. This is in parallel technique. Okay, if you want to stop you have to press here, you switch it off. Now, as I told you, you use the button of frenectomy, and here you have the other section of surgical procedure. خلاص.